Good morning and welcome to Algebra 1 for Thursday, April 16th. Today I'm going to go over the quiz prep problems so that you understand better what to have done. And the only homework tonight is to review, watch the video again if you have to, practice on your own, because tomorrow I'm going to post the quiz for you. So here are the four prompts. Here's the first one. The first one only had one equation, or inequality really, not a system, just one. So it has a y-intercept of -2, put a dot on -2. It has a slope of 1/2, go up 1/2. It said less than or equal to, so it is a solid line. I'm going to draw a solid line there. I'll put my stick figure guy on the line, and it says less than or equal to, so it's under him. So the shaded region under that line is the solution to the system. If you want to choose a coordinate that should be in the shaded area, we can check. I'm going to check 4, 0. I'm going to just say it because I don't have room to write, but 4, 0. So is 0 less than or equal to half of 4 minus 2? Half of 4 is 2, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So it says 0 is less than or equal to 0, which it is. It works. For my second system, I have an intercept of +3 and a slope of 1, up 1/1. It says greater than, not or equal to. So it's a dotted line. And I'll put my figure on there. And he says greater than, so it's shading above him. The other line says less than or equal to -1/3 x minus 1. So minus 1's there. -1/3 is down 1 to the right 3. Less than or equal to was a solid line. And less than is down below him. So the overlapping area is just this little area right in there. Okay? Looks like let's say -5, 0 is in the shaded area. -5, 0. So is 0 greater than -5 plus 3? Is 0 greater than -2? Yes, it is. And is 0 less than or equal to -1/3 times 5 minus 1? Well, whether or not you want to do -5/3 and subtract another for -8/3, it doesn't matter. It's a negative number minus more. 0 is going to be more than that. So that worked. The next system we have we have y is greater than -4. When it's just a y with no x, it's a horizontal line, and it goes through -4. As a dotted line because it says greater than, not or equals. Greater than is above the guy, so here we go. And the other line is going to give you a vertical line through -1. Again, also dotted. And greater than as well, so it's to the right. So this area where there's double overlapped shading, that's this solution set. Coordinate in that solution set, definitely the origin, which is really easy to check, 0, 0. Because again, we have a horizontal and a vertical line, each one is just one variable. Is 0 greater than -4? Yes, it is. And is 0 greater than -1? Yes, it is. And that brings us to the last problem we had. You might have noticed that they have the same slope. Two lines with the same slope are parallel. The first line goes through -4 as a y-intercept, and then up 2/3. And it has the or equals, so it's a solid line. And it's shaded up. Greater than, over the guy's head. The second line has a y-intercept of +3. Also a slope of 2/3, up 2/3. This one is a dotted line. And it shades under him. So where do they overlap? In between the two lines. So in between the two lines is really where all the solutions live. You could check a coordinate within that region. 0, 0 again does work. Is 0 greater than or equal to -4. If I plug in a 0 for x, it just cancels out. So is 0 greater than or equal to -4? Yes, it is. And is 0 less than 3? Again, yes, it is. All right, well, there you have the solutions to the quiz prep worksheet. Again, there's no homework tonight. There's only to review this. You can work more on the IXL strand T.6 if you hadn't yet, but that assignment is already in the books. It's practice though. And all I want you to do is get ready for tomorrow's quiz. It's going to look real similar to the practice quiz I just gave you. 4 prompts, about the same level of difficulty. I need that answered with and fully graphed with shading. Without shading, it's not worth much. Take a picture of it, email it to me. That's going to be tomorrow, okay? So I'm going to post it tomorrow morning. It's due tomorrow by midnight. Please make sure you're on time. Otherwise, that's all I got for you. Have a great day.